are the group classics of BEd 3-2.
The learning environment is another important component aside from the curriculum in the teaching-learning process. This activity exposes you to another learning experience which enables you to make your learning environment safe and conducive. As you immerse in the learning environment, you will learn the different methods and strategies to maximize the involvement of learners in the different classroom activities.
The name of our city or cooperating teacher is Mrs. Mara M. Chua, Assistant Teacher 3 with 6 years of teaching experience. Has dedicated her entire career to educating students at a public, large-scale school. Throughout her 6 years of service, she has consistently taught the same grade level, allowing her to deeply understand the developmental needs and learning styles of her students. With a wealth of experience behind her, Mom Myra is adept at managing her classroom effectively, implementing strategies such as establishing clear rules from the outset of the school year to maintain a structured environment. She believes in the power of organization, ensuring that her classroom remains tidy and conducive to learning throughout the day. Moreover, Teacher Myra prioritizes positive reinforcement over punitive measures, fostering a supportive and encouraging atmosphere where every student feels valued and motivated to excel. Through her dedication and expertise, Ma'am Myra Chua continues to make a lasting impact on the education and growth of her students within the public education system.
Teacher Myra Chua effectively manages her classroom through several key strategies. Firstly, she establishes clear classroom rules, which are discussed with her students on the first day of the school year. By strictly implementing these rules, she ensures that her learners are consistently aware of expectations and boundaries.
In her teaching approach, Teacher Myra Chua prioritizes making lessons relevant to all learners by recognizing and understanding their diverse backgrounds, interests, and learning styles. With 6 years of experience as a teacher 3, she acknowledges the uniqueness of each student and adopts her teaching methods accordingly. Teacher Myra emphasizes the importance of knowing her learners, allowing their preferences and strengths to guide her instructional decisions. She encourages a collaborative approach where students actively participate in shaping their learning experiences, believing that they can teach her how best to teach them. Furthermore, Teacher Myra integrates real-world and concrete examples into her lessons to ensure that the content resonates with her students' experiences. She understands the value of providing relevant context that students can relate to, thereby enhancing their engagement and understanding. Additionally, Teacher Myra employs differentiated instruction, offering a variety of instructional materials, activities, and assessments tailored to meet the diverse needs and interests of her learners. By incorporating these strategies, she creates a dynamic and inclusive learning environment where every student has the opportunity to thrive and succeed.
In fostering engagement among her students, Teacher Myra Chua emphasizes the creation of a dynamic and interactive classroom environment where learners are motivated and actively participated in their learning. Drawing from her 6 years of experience as a teacher tree, she recognized the significance of navigating technology as an effective tool in education, particularly in the current computer age. Teacher Myra integrates various technological resources such as educational apps, multimedia presentations, and online platforms for communication and collaboration into her teaching practices.
Moreover, Teacher Myra incorporates hands-on experiments, role plays, problem-solving tasks, and educational games to stimulate critical and creative thinking among her students. By incorporating these interactive elements into her lessons, She ensures that learning remains engaging and enjoyable for her learners. Teacher Myra's commitment to providing diverse and dynamic learning experience reflects her dedication to cultivating a classroom environment where every student is actively involved and motivated to learn.
Thank you for watching!
And I'll